Hello, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. What if changing just one habit tonight could improve your focus, your mood, your health, and even your productivity over the next few months? That habit is simple: going to bed earlier, and more importantly, getting enough quality sleep. For years, scientists have studied sleep, and the results are remarkably consistent. Sleep is not wasted time. It is one of the most important biological processes your body depends on. Let's explore why. Hashtag 1. Your brain works while you sleep. Many people think the brain simply shuts down during sleep. In reality, it becomes incredibly active. During sleep, especially deep sleep, your brain organizes memories, strengthens learning, and clears away waste products that build up throughout the day. Researchers have found that people who get enough sleep generally perform better on tests of attention, problem solving, and memory than those who are sleep deprived. If you've ever struggled to concentrate after staying up late, you've already experienced this yourself. Better sleep supports your immune system. While you're sleeping, your body produces proteins called cytokines, which help your immune system respond to infections and inflammation. Studies have shown that people who regularly sleep too little are more likely to get sick after being exposed to common viruses. In other words, sleep doesn't guarantee you won't get sick, but it gives your immune system a much better chance to protect you. 3. Sleep affects your mood more than you might realize. Have you noticed that everything feels harder after a poor night's sleep? That's because lack of sleep makes it more difficult for the brain to regulate emotions. Research consistently shows that people who don't get enough sleep are more likely to experience irritability, stress, anxiety, and low mood. On the other hand, good sleep helps improve emotional resilience. You may still face challenges, but you'll often be better prepared to deal with them calmly. 4. Going to bed earlier often leads to better daily performance. The goal isn't simply to sleep earlier. The goal is to align your sleep schedule with your body's natural circadian rhythm. For most adults, sleeping at a consistent time and getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night is associated with better alertness, faster reaction times, and improved decision-making. Many successful people wake up early, but what often goes unnoticed is that they also prioritize getting enough sleep. Waking up at 5 in the morning means very little if you only slept 4 hours. Hatter 5. Sleep influences your physical health. While you sleep, your body repairs tissues, regulates hormones, and restores energy. Research has linked chronic sleep deprivation with a higher risk of several long-term health problems, including obesity, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Sleep alone cannot prevent these conditions, but combined with healthy eating and regular exercise, it plays a major role in maintaining long-term health. 6. Better sleep helps you make better choices. This may surprise you. When you're tired, the brain areas responsible for self-control become less active. At the same time, the brain becomes more sensitive to immediate rewards. That's one reason sleep-deprived people are more likely to crave sugary foods, skip exercise, procrastinate, or make impulsive decisions. Sometimes the problem isn't a lack of discipline. Sometimes it's simply a lack of sleep. So should everyone go to bed early? Not necessarily. What's most important is getting enough sleep on a consistent schedule that matches your natural rhythm and daily responsibilities. For most healthy adults, sleep experts recommend between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. If going to bed just 30 minutes earlier helps you consistently reach that goal, it can make a noticeable difference over time. Remember, healthy habits don't usually transform your life overnight. They transform your life through repetition. Every night is another opportunity to recover, recharge, and prepare for tomorrow. So tonight, instead of asking yourself how late you can stay awake, ask yourself a different question. How well do I want to feel tomorrow? Your answer may change the time you decide to turn off the lights. Thank you so much for listening. If you found this message helpful, please subscribe for more science-based life lessons and inspiring content. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What is one small change you can make tonight to improve your sleep? Thank you again for being here. I wish you restful nights, healthy days, and a brighter tomorrow. See you in the next video.